With awesome black aesthetics and 6.2 liters of Chevrolet Performance LS3, this slick Chevelle drop top will turn driving your muscle car from a hobby into an obsession. Are you looking for some Detroit metal that wraps exceptional drivability in one of the best looking packages to ever hit the streets? This needs to be your next classic. Buff, bad, and ready to roll, this pristine Chevelle is the beneficiary of a body-off rotisserie restoration. That nut and bolt reboot, conducted by the pros at Sugarloaf, Pennsylvania's Tony's Muscle Cars, dressed solid sheet metal in a rich coat of Tuxedo Black 2-stage, and decked with a Cal induction hood, SS emblems, and bright Ridler wheels. This handsome Chevy walks a fine line between tastefully modern and traditionally conservative. Open the doors and you'll find a familiar muscle car aesthetic that's had modern conveniences integrated where it counts. The front seats are heavily bolstered units that were sourced directly from TMI, and the rear seat has been covered to match. A monochromatic dash founds Dakota Digital gauges above modern direct-fit audio and vintage air climate control, and the driver enjoys the car's power through a long Hurst shifter and a billet steering wheel. Officially known as the Chevrolet Performance LS376 480, the car's strong engine turns out 495 horsepower and 473 pound-feet of torque. That power flows through a Tremec 6-speed manual back to a 12-volt rear with posi-traction and 410 gears. If you're in the market for a choice Boulevard bruiser that's a blast to show off and even more fun to drive, your search is officially over. This professionally restored Chevelle mixes classic Chevrolet looks with a ton of power and some of the best drivetrain components on the market. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.